Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So it's the start of a brand new week and the workmen have gone, which means we've got peace and quiet out there. No distractions and no buzzing noises and hammering noises to contend with, apart from what's coming from the garage below, where Ian's working quite industriously. I've just heard him cry. I think he's just stabbed himself in the hand or something. So I checked he wasn't bleeding, don't worry. So Mojo's come back with a vengeance. I've had about 5 or 6 different ideas for projects over the last 24 hours, which I've been writing down on a piece of paper so I didn't forget them. So there's a couple of art journal pages, a couple of art journal projects, something with Mona Lisa that I want to do. There's also a painting project using the fan brush that I saw on YouTube, somebody doing on YouTube. Not a crafter or an art journalist. It was one of these guys who do proper oil painting techniques. But there was something that he did with a fan brush with a tree that I want to have a go at. And I thought I would take you along for the ride for that one. So I need to do that this week as well. Like I said, I've got something to do with Mona Lisa. I want to try and festive and Christmassy her up a little bit. And there's also some Christmas card digi kits that I want to create and get those up on the website this week as well. So yes, Mojo has returned with a vengeance, thankfully. It's raining a lot. Some areas around where we are have been flooded. There's a severe flood warning for the area. I've had to make a detour on my way to visit Mum because some of the roads were flooded. So it's taken me a little bit longer to get here today. We were supposed to be going back up to Holmfirth because we didn't make it last week, if you remember rightly, because I had a problem with the car. But today we didn't make it because some of the roads into Holmfirth blocked or flooded and you can't get past. So you can't win. We just can't win. Let's get the place warmed up a bit. Here she is, looking all bedraggled. You're all wet.
I've got Ian's birthday card.
Do you want us to go into Tesco on the way back? Get you one.
There's a card factory shop on the
There
back.
is. We'll drive round. Good thinking there, Batwoman.
Give me a chance to get my breath back.
Yeah. Do you want the puffer? There you go.
I've got one, but I can't bother to wear. And the trees.
I know, beautiful colours, aren't they?
Absolutely gorgeous.
They're like reds, and it's all down to sugar apparently. Did you know that?
It's as good as that in America.
Oh yeah.
Anyway,
Apparently the warmer the spring, you know, as the leaves are in bud,
yeah.
the more sugars the trees build up, and the more sugar in the leaves, the redder they are. Although I wouldn't want to chew on one, would you?
No.
It'd be a little bit bitter.
Beautiful though.
Oh. I think this will be the wettest it's been for a long time. Oh. Double whammy shopping trip. Oh. Let's get some heating, aircon, warmth. Where is she? There she is. She's pulled a hood right up over her head and pulled it really close in. Big fur trim. It's like an Eskimo. Handle there. Let's get the aircon up. Can't come in.
It stopped.
Kind of waiting for this space. I hate it when all the windows are all steamed up because you can't see out properly. Right, that's it.
Home, James.
Home, James, yes, indeed. So I've just finished doing my experiment with the fan brushes. So I've got 3 or 4 different sizes of fan brush, and the technique that I saw, I think it was called Kevin Smith, kind of a young version of Bob Ross with not so much hair, doing some trees or painting techniques using the fan brushes. And they've turned out okay, I think. I kind of like them. So, autumn trees, just using a bit of acrylic, and I've added a little bit of gold paint in there as well. So the process for this one will probably go out next week. So I've kind of done a few videos. So my mojo's come back. So I've actually got now a raft of videos that are just waiting to go out. So all filmed. Some in editing, some finished editing, some uploaded and already scheduled. So yeah, so this one will probably go out next week, probably Thursday next week. Yay. So yes, I'm really getting ahead of myself. Christmas and all that kind of stuff is already in the planning. I've already been buying bits and pieces for my 7 Days of Christmas series for 2019. So yes, things are definitely getting back to normal again. So it's just before lunchtime. My stomach's starting to rumble a little bit, and I just realised I haven't seen Mr. Bentley for at least an hour, which means he must have snuck off back upstairs and climbed into bed again. So let's go and see if we can find him, shall we? So, Teddy Evidence, he's obviously been playing. Ah, okay. Yes, definitely evidence of burrowing doggies. Little monkey, I've made that bed already once. It's Ian's birthday tomorrow, so I've just popped out today to grab a few little bits and pieces, a couple of little treats. He's requested for his birthday the set of Philip Pullman books, his Dark Materials, after watching the first instalment of the BBC's adaptation. That's what he wanted for his birthday. So I've ordered them, which they arrived yesterday. I ordered them from the eBay. But obviously I need to get him a couple of other little bits that he doesn't know about. Not just from me, but from Mr. B as well. So we've got birthday cards. So I've just been out on a mercy dash, if you like, to get him some treats. Chocolatey treats, that kind of thing, the stuff that he likes to eat. We're having some friends over for a birthday lunch, so we did all that shopping the other day, so they're coming today at 12, Today's not his birthday, but today was the only day we could get all his friends together. So yeah, so we're doing a birthday lunch, which will probably turn into evening. So it may end up being a late one tonight. It's a good job we don't work for anybody else, isn't it?
One left to open now.
I have. Good morning, everyone. A little bit cold still. So this is from John and Lisa.
I already opened everything.
Already opened everything else. Oh! Malteser bars.
Yeah. No chocolate.
Fries, orange cream. And a pocket-sized bar of chocolate.
Pocket-sized. Good grief.
Depends how big your pockets are, doesn't it?
No, and then all these birthday cards now. Look.
Karen sent me a card. Some people said he only took up cycling because he liked the way he looked in lycra. I got one from Mr. Bentley,
Right.
his daddy. That's from Mikey.
That's from me.
That's from John and Lisa.
Yes.
That's from Mum and Dad.
I like the pattern.
I like the pattern too. And that's from Linda. And that's lovely as well.
Handmade.
Yes.
Steampunky card. Lovely.
Well happy. Lots of chocolate, lots of books. Got the Philip Pullman trio to read. Very happy. Happy birthday to me.
Are you full now? Yes, thank you. Good. You're recording. I can't put it in reverse.
Car's broken.
No, it's not. Hang on, can't come in. I said thank you. So, it's Ian's birthday today.
I've got a cold. I'm dying.
You're not
I'm
dying.
dying. Look, my legs dropped off.
So, we've been to see
Nana.
Nana and Grandad. Mr. Bentley's in the back.
Yes, for the birthday. My birthday today.
Yes. So we've been to see Grandma and Grandad, and then Ian wanted a McDonald's for his lunch. So we've just stopped off at dirty McDonald's
Nothing wrong with McDonald's.
for the lunch, and then we're just on our way back home again now. So
We had a very busy day yesterday.
very busy day. As expected, Ian's friends didn't leave until quite late last night.
Which was nice. They arrived at 12 for lunch and they went home about 9 o'clock in the evening.
Yes,
It was a very long dinner date.
it's going to take us forever to get back.
Doesn't
home.
matter. Doesn't matter.
So yeah, so it was a very long lunch, very long lunch. So I'm hoping somebody's going to let me out, but they're not, are they? Because they're all horrible people.
Oh, that lady is.
So anyway, so like I said, we're on our way back home again. Come on. What? What? Come on. Come on. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.